The bills under consideration include one seeking to establish a regulatory body for organ harvesting, transplantation, and donations, and another to create the Nigeria Surrogacy Regulatory Commission for the monitoring and supervision of surrogacy arrangements. Represented by the Deputy Chief Whip Ibrahim Isiaka, Abbas says the proposed laws will address gaps in the medical system, strengthen ethical standards, and ensure uniform regulation across healthcare practices in the country. He explains that standardizing healthcare practices and tightening regulations will not only reduce illegal activities such as organ trafficking, but also save lives and boost productivity.
We are here today to formalize those irregularities and unregulated areas or closely governed areas of medical practice in Nigeria that continue to mitigate against our well-being. In order to fulfill the healthcare mandate as conceived in the 10th legislative agenda of the House, we must strive to strengthen existing systems in the fields of medicine. Let's not doubt that the messages and the passage of these bills will directly impact the healthcare sector of our
On
economy.
his part, Chairman of the House Committee on Healthcare Services, Amos Magaji, reaffirming the committee's commitment to transparent, inclusive, and people centered lawmaking, notes that the proposed bills are aimed at strengthening Nigeria's healthcare system.
I've discovered many agencies in Nigeria are working with obsolete laws. Well, by the time you have engagement with them, they say, we can't do this, we can't do that because the law, this does not permit us, does not permit us. The house is here for you. Use the house. I cannot sit down here and know some of the difficulties that a practitioner of artificial reproduction are going through. In fact, I started that because of engagement with many people, friends, family members that are having difficulties in getting children. Um, and because of late marriages this day and many other problems, you discover that the issue of surrogacy, artificial reproduction is in the top burner. And then we need to legislate on this.
The House believes that the bills have the potential to reduce crime, save lives, and improve productivity while also strengthening the economy. From the National Assembly, Henrietta Momodu, EBS News.